You're on Pimotech Education Service, and in today's video we are going to look at PowerPoint slide presentation. We are going to learn how to make a beautiful PowerPoint slide presentation. In PowerPoint presentation, we have 3 ways of making a beautiful presentation. So the first one is called checkbox, and it's the one we are going to look at. We are going to look at checkboard. To do this, you open up your PowerPoint presentation application, and as you are seeing here, we insert the slide. After inserting the slide, we are going to use images which are stored on our computer. When you are inserting images in PowerPoint, you come to tab insert. Here, the one you are seeing, I'm hovering to. You click insert, you bring the image, you click here on pictures, not online pictures. This one are only used when you are connected to internet, but right now we are off internet. That's why we are using pictures which are stored on our desktop. So this is the pictures. You come here, you click on desktop. From desktop, this is the folder. You select, you go through your folders that are on desktop, and you look for the folder which include the image you want to use. Ours, it's this one, the folder called story. You double click it to open. From there, now we are inside our folder, and this is the images we have in our folder. So let us look for the interesting image. We have this one. Let me take this one for the leopard image. After selecting the image you want to use, you come here below here and click the word insert. Once you click the word insert, it comes in our slide page. So to size this image, what we do, you come here to crop here on the right side, at the extreme right side of the ribbon. You click on the icon of crop. You see this crop? So at its drop down arrow, you click on it and you select aspect ratio. Once you hover on aspect ratio, the side bar comes with a different ratio of the image. So you come below the landscape ratio and you choose 16:9. Click 16:9. Now, once you select 16:9, the moment you make adjustment to fill the slide, the picture will look nicely. So you come and click on the photo and you adjust it using the edges. You see, I'm putting the cursor on its edges and I size the image to fill the slide. Are you seeing? Now our image is okay. So from there, to make a checkboard power presentation, what we do, you come to again the tab insert, you click the word insert, come to the table icon here, you click on table and select the tables like rows and columns. Let us take 7 by 7. We take 7 by 7. Let us take that one. After selecting that, you click withhold the table in the image. Again, you adjust the table to fit the slide. You adjust at all sides to fit. Now, after the table being equivalent to the slide, you come to design tab here. You see this design tab, this one. We have here shading. You come and click on drop down arrow of the shading, you come to no fill. You choose no fill. You click on it. You see we still have borders here. Again, you come to borders, click the down arrow and choose no border. You click no border. So from there, you come and select some boxes. Like here, you can select like those 4 boxes. After selecting them, you come and put shading. Let us take a white. So from there, you do the same. Let us here take like 6. Again, we shade white. Make a different shading. Any shadings you want of each box. So you do this one until you feel that your slide has gained the beauty you want. So after shading, what we do, we can bring in more other images that can make the slide more beautiful. What you do, you come back to insert tab, you choose picture, you go back to our slide, you click on the picture you want to insert in, you come and select you click insert. You do the same. You come back here to crop and you look for aspect ratio. You choose any aspect ratio you want. This time you can take that one, and again you size. So at this level where you want to put in more images to make your slide beautiful, what you do, this small image should be equivalent or equal to the boxes you inserted in to bring about the good view of the slide. You make it small. So from there you can Ctrl C, that is copy. Again you Ctrl V, you make a post of different pictures and you start positioning them somewhere in areas where you want these images to show up. If you see you still want more, you Ctrl V again. So that is it. From there, remember we are making a presentation. So the information you want to display on this slide is written in these big boxes we selected. So let us insert a text box here. You click the tab insert, you look for the text box, it's here, you click on it, you come and draw here a text box. Draw. If you are using a laptop, long press the button on your touchpad, the left button on your touchpad, or those one with the desktop, on your mouse you have the left button. So you click and hold that to draw the text box. After drawing the text box, there you can now put in the text you want. Let us say King of Kings. King of Kings. We make it capital by clicking at the box. You come here, capital S, small a, and you look for upper cases. So from there we can increase the size like that, and we center like that. King of Kings. So below here we can put the description of what we want people to understand. So again you bring a text box there. From the tab insert, you come and draw a text box. You can say that Uganda is the home of wildlife. Come and explore the beauty. You increase the size like that. So you can do a shape fill. From here you come to format and look for shape fill. Here you make a shape fill like that. Same applies to here. You also do a shape fill like that. So you have seen the way we have arrived here. So you do the same until you finish the entire slides you want to use in your presentation. Even if you want to use like 20 slides, you follow the same procedure. So let me rush this video and we make like 4 slides in this presentation. Now, welcome back. So this is the different slides I've managed to come up with. It's a presentation to tourists that is inspiring more tourists to come to Uganda and explore the beauty of the Pearl of Africa. So what you do after being completed all the slides you have, come to the last slide, you click on it. From there, you press and hold the shift button. You press and hold the shift button and select other slides. Exclude the first one. So after selecting these slides apart from the first one, you come to transition. You click transition. So from transition, what you do, you come to this transition slide. You are seeing this one, transition to this slide. So this section, these groupings of transitions, you come to its drop down arrow. You click this last drop down arrow. It will provide the different transition. So from these transitions, you come to exiting transition and you look for checkboard. This one, checkboard. You click checkboard. After clicking it, you come back to your slides. Now you come back to your slides and you put the cursor on the first slide. From there, you come to slide show, this button. You come to this tab and you click slide show. After clicking the slide show, it will provide you with the ribbon of different options. So we want to display our PowerPoint slide presentation and we see how it works. So you come to this button, this icon, play from the beginning, meaning we are going to play from the first slide. This is how our first slide looks like. Now you see the way it looks like when you are presenting. The audience you are presenting to will be interested in seeing different colors, different images. So the slide will not be boring to the audience. That is the cardinal advantage of this kind of PowerPoint slide. So you click the button to go to another slide. Are you seeing the way it goes out of the screen and it comes in the same manner? So this is how we can create a beautiful slides that can attract the attention of the audience you are presenting to. You see the way it moves away and the way another slide comes in. So in these small boxes, you can put different species that you want the audience to be seeing and realize where they are. You see in these small boxes, even you can put text together with images, which improves the presentation and enriches the communication to the audience. That is it, and this is the end of our presentation. I hope you have gained something. This is the first technique I have on how to make interesting PowerPoint. Next time we are coming with the second technique of a different PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone who is here.